Okay, good afternoon. So this would be a demonstration for assembly and disassembly of the system unit for the subject Computer Organization 101. So as you can see, what we have here are some tools that are actually on my clutch bag right here na kinonvert mo na lang siya na parang toolbox. So, if yung mga naunang iterations kasi ng toolboxes ko, talaga bumili ako ng plastic na toolbox, but medyo bulky siyang dalhin. So at least ito, since hindi ko naman na masyadong ginagamit, I converted this as my toolbox so that every time that I would go for home service, meron ako nito. So these are just some of the tools na binanggit natin sa discussion natin. So what I have here are some precise, or yung tinatawag nilang yung precise na screwdrivers. The word precise kasi medyo maliit. So this is intended not only for laptops but also for smartphones. Yan. So hindi nyo ito kailangan kung sakaling system unit yung bubuksan nyo. So what I have here also are some of the basic cleaning tools that we have. Meron tayong brush. So as you can see, habang lumuluma, sumasabog yung bristles natin. So I actually bought 2 more, and yung mas manipis so that mas accessible niya yung mga maliliit na, yung mga masisikip na part. Okay? So also what I have here is yung basic natin na Phillips screwdriver, and we have the standard flat screwdriver. So ang advisable po natin if you're going to open system unit, ganito kahaba. Okay? So para at least hindi kayo mahirapan na magtanggal ng screwdriver. So any length would do, but the preference here is always yung mahaba. Also what I have here is an electrical tape, just in case na may maputol na kable by accident, you can actually reconnect them. So more on electricals yun. Hindi kayo basta-basta, pero dapat magkumpuni ng gano'n unless you have a certain background. Nagkataon din kasi na sobra ito dun sa nung nagpakabit ako nung mini driving light dun sa motor. So what I have here is a side cutter pliers, and this is a long nose, yung tinatawag natin na long nose, so yung needle nose pliers, and this is what is left on my pliers mismo. Okay, kasi naputol siya. So this is just only, I bought this in 168, they are 50 pesos each. So given na yan na talagang madali siyang masira, and meron pa yung spring na lang dito. Okay, so there we go. Supposed to be natapos ko na ito, kaya lang naman. Also another type of brush which I use together with this ethyl alcohol, 70% solution. As much as possible, you should use an isopropyl alcohol, not ethyl alcohol. Also what we have here is a thermal paste. I will explain later kung para saan ito. Side cutter, just in case that you will need to cut some wires, pero bihira lang itong ginagamit sa pag-maintenance. Okay? nagkataon lang din na nilagay ko lang ito dito sa but I have some experiences that I have to cut a wire because it had been nibbed or yung kinagat ng daga. So, parang kinat ko na lang yun, ginamit ko to as yung pangbalat ng jacket para ma-expose ko yung copper wire. And then we have here also some cable ties which we can use later on sa ating wire management or yung cable management. So these are the basic tools that I use when doing a preventive maintenance